Congratulations on your Precision Pets laser purchase. It's going to arrive like this in a box, and it's going to have a lovely little carry case that you're going to get inside the box. So this is great for keeping your laser clean and out of harm's way. So when you open it up, you're going to have an instruction manual, which really does show you exactly how to use this machine and to keep it clean. It also gives you the contraindications to laser and a whole bunch of warnings. So please make sure that you do read those. And if you have any concerns, please make sure that you speak to your veterinarian or your practitioners that you are working with to make sure that this is a viable option for your pet. So this is your handy cable to charge your laser. It's US adaptive, so it's just easy to do. I would probably just plug it in when you get it. You have some protective eye goggles over here. So if you are concerned, these are fabulous to just prevent any danger to the eyes. So please feel free to use those if you would like when you are lasering your pet or yourself. This little device over here goes onto this over here, and what it does is if you would like to massage using the laser, this is absolutely fine because it's got a nice hard exterior. So what you can do is take off that little protective covering, and you can go ahead and pop this on and attach it so that if you do want to put it against the skin and massage, you're welcome to do so. Okay, so that goes over there. So how to use your laser, very simple. This is your on button. So this is just going to come on. That's probably what your default setting looks like. The button on the right is your time. So when you press the time, you can go up in 5-minute increments. I would suggest if you're doing it for pain or dysfunction, you would probably want to set it to about 10 or 15 minutes. Underneath that is your continuous wave or your pulsed wave. That is this button right here. If you are doing anything acute that has edema or swelling, you can do it on a pulse, like a post-surgical area. But for the most part, for pain and for any wounds, you want to have it on continuous. Then you're going to come down to this button or this button over here. This is your energy level. If you are doing wound healing or anything like that, you want to have it on a lowish energy level. So any kind of subcutaneous lesions, anything like that. If we're going to do pain, we're going to press this button right there. That's going to ramp up our power level. And so we're going to get a lot of 808 nanometers using the highest frequency. So when you're ready, you're going to make sure that the dog is clean, that there's no dirt on them, and you are just going to press that middle power button. You can see how it works. What I suggest to patients is when you are lasering, you can either be on one spot for about 15 to 30 seconds at a time, and then gently just move up. Or if you'd like to do some scanning, you can also use that as a different technique. I think what's important to realize about this is that dogs with very, very shaggy, heavy coats, you want to create as much contact as you possibly can with the skin, or as close as you possibly can. So what I'd like you to do is go against the grain of the hair so that you can actually get underneath that coat and use the laser effectively, because you're just that much closer to the dermis. So when your session stops, all you're going to do is switch off. So you're going to hold it for 2 seconds and then put it back in the carry case, and you are ready to continue it at its next use.